I'm sorry, I have to smell it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gloria Bell from Beautify with Love, and I know I haven't been doing videos in forever. I've been disappearing and appearing, and the season is almost over. The semester is almost over, so I have a fun video for you guys today. I am doing an unboxing, a very fun one. I know I haven't done unboxings in such a while, and since I've been on and off with the videos, why not do an unboxing? I feel like we have to get back on track with my original videos. So today I have a very fun collaboration with Luxury Scent Box, and they send me a couple of products from them from their subscription service, and they're a $15 subscription service if you guys haven't checked it out. This is the packaging. I'm super excited. This is what I got in the mail. They did write me an email saying they sent me over 2 scents, so I'm super excited to see what they are. I gave them a little bit of my favorite scents overall, so they just jotted down to something similar and whatnot. They have various scents in their website. I took a look at their website and it's really, really cool. So I feel like this is a really good alternative to, like, if you don't know what scent to buy or anything like that, this would be a really good splurge, because even buying roller balls like in Ulta or Sephora can be really expensive when you come to try to find a good scent for you for just $15 a month. And they usually send enough product for you to have for at least a month if you are somebody who wears perfume every day. And they just basically do a little survey, just like Ipsy or any other subscription service. After you do your survey, your first box comes with a reusable black and silver box, so you can switch up your fragrances to whichever one you like best. So let's get into the unboxing. So the first thing I see here is a couple of cards here from their brands, things that you might want to know, and then the fragrances that I have in there, which I'm not gonna look at. I'm not gonna look at it because I don't want to. All right, so they come in these boxes right here, and they also brought me a little slip for the fragrances, which is really cute. It's like a black suede. So this is what it looks like. It is a beautiful suede packaging for you to take on your purse, which is really cute for traveling. I love it. These are what the products look like. They don't have the names there, so I'm gonna open them so you guys can check out which ones they are. First one is, oh, they come in, I think this is what it originally comes in. Let's see. It says twist and oh. So it twists and opens and it spritz. Let's see. Ooh. Let's see what that is. It's musky. I'm gonna guess this is, let me see. The 2 scents that I have here are Silhouette in Bloom and Tokyo Milk Tainted Love. So I feel like this one's the Tainted Love one. Let's see what the other fragrance is. Oh, this one's in gold. I love. The packaging is very luxurious. Hold on, the scent is still lingering. I actually figured out that you can actually take these off, and there it says the name. So it's actually Silhouette in Bloom, the one in this packaging. Wow, it actually smells really good. And then this is supposed to be Tokyo Love or Tainted Love, something like that. Tokyo Milk Dark Tainted Love. So let's see what that one smells like. Ooh, I like that one more. It has vanilla with musk. I liked this one a lot. I love the packaging. It's very luxurious. I love the gold on this one though. It looks very nice, very sleek. And like I said, you can pop them out, switch them out if you want. And what's great about this is that if you love the scent, you can actually purchase the full size on their website. They have a bunch of fragrances from Tory Burch to Coach. I saw some Juicy Couture. So they have a lot of high-end brands, but they also have lower brands as well. They have a bunch of ranges in prices when it comes to buying the full sizes, but I like that you get to try them first. That's pretty much the unboxing today. It was pretty short. If you guys like unboxings like this from subscription services, Just let me know in the comments down below. I think I'm gonna do a couple more soon. And in case you're interested in this one in particular, you can get a 35% off your first box by just putting Beautify with Love. And yeah, that's a really good deal because you basically pay $9.75 plus you get free shipping. For any other more information on what's luxury scent box, I'm gonna put it in my description box. You guys can check out their website. I'll put the links down below and my discount code, which is 35% off. You can't miss that. And that's pretty much it. That was it for the video. So don't forget to beautify with love. Bye.